Hey there, I'm Landon Ashworth, and my autistic superpower is playing golf real well. If you can't play 9 holes today, let me do it for you.
Oh, give the man a wedge and I'll hand you back a birdie. Hey, no more scrambling. Oh, trains on the tracks. Oh, that is so dialed. Oh, under par, calling mayor, kissing babies. Hello, sir. Oh, God, you are so good. Oh, sure. Oh, right if you find work, bye left. Oh, sir, we tried to kill him, but the man has no weaknesses. You're a hitman. Little off balance. Why won't he die? I owe you all an apology. I am sorry for that, Bogey. Honor restored. Oh, I need to take up drinking. That was hard.